Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex trading, using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the Forex Week in Review with the 28 majors and minors, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. So for the strategic target, we currently have 0.84189 to the downside. On the operational picture, price action below the dragon, went up a little bit above the dragon, then it ended up below. We currently have momentum for Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar to the downside. On the tactical flows, we had a profit of $521. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, we have a price target of 0.52123 to the downside. Price action below the dragon, above the dragon, then back below the dragon on the operational picture. Flows were relatively consistent to the downside, and we had a profit of $4,698. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, we have a price target of 100.73 to the upside. Price action below the dragon, then shot up back above the dragon, then in the dragon. Flows were relatively throughout, with a loss of $202. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, we have a price target of 1.08202 to the downside. Price action below the dragon, stayed below the dragon. Flows overall were relatively supportive of both the strategic and operational picture, with a profit of $1,442. Aussie dollar, US dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, above the dragon, then below the dragon. Flows relatively stable throughout to the downside, with a profit of $2,940. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, we have a price target of 0.63491 to the downside. Price action pretty choppy here, above the dragon, below the dragon, back above, and then in the dragon. However, the flows are relatively stable on the tactical picture at the 1 hour at profit of $2,452. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, we have a price target of 114.462 to the upside. Price action in the dragon, then a little bit below, then rocketed up above the dragon. However, with that chop, we had a profit of $432 on the tactical picture. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, then above the dragon. However, flows to the downside were a little choppy. Then we had a nice surge to the upside with flows and a profit of $2,245. Euro Aussie dollar, we have a price target of 1.83751 to the upside. Price action above the dragon. Flows relatively stable throughout the tactical picture to the upside with a profit of $2,713. Euro Canadian dollar, we have a price target of 1.47727 to the upside. Operational picture below the dragon, then shot up above the dragon. Flows relatively stable on the upward tactical picture, with a profit of $1,381. Euro Swiss franc, we have a price target of 1.0061 to the upside. Price action below the dragon, then shot up above the dragon. Flows relatively consolidating until Thursday, where the tactical flows came out really nicely with a profit of $1,034. Euro British pound, we have a price target of 1.05667 to the upside. Price action on the operational picture was above the dragon, then shot below the dragon. Overall flows were consolidating at first, and then some nice downward flows towards the end of the week, with a profit of $4,080. Euro Japanese yen, we have a price target of 131.745 to the downside. Price action below the dragon, then shot up above the dragon. Consolidating at the beginning of the week, then towards the end, some nice flows to the upside with a profit of $2,095. Euro New Zealand dollar, we have a price target of 1.80893 to the upside on the strategic picture. Price action on the operational picture above the dragon, shot below, then back above. A lot of consolidation that translated to the tactical picture for a loss of $2,063. Euro US dollar, we have a price target of 0.225 to the downside. Price action below the dragon, shot up above, and then back in the dragon. Translated to an overall loss on the tactical picture with a loss of $177. British pound Aussie dollar, we have a price target of 1.99421 to the upside. Price action above the dragon, pretty much stayed that way. Beautiful return on the tactical picture with profit of $3,684. British pound Canadian dollar, we don't have price target on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, then shot up above the dragon. Translated Overall consolidation at the beginning of the week, and then towards the end of the week, some nice gains with a profit of $3,429. First pound Swiss franc, we have a price target of 1.1951 to the upside on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, then shot up above the dragon. Nice overall gains towards the end of the week with a profit of $6,743. First pound Japanese yen, we have a price target of 127.623 to the downside. Price action below the dragon on the operational picture, shot up above the dragon. A lot of consolidation at the beginning of the week, however, those nice flows to the upside with an overall gain of $6,051. First pound New Zealand dollar, we got a price target of 2.28996 to the upside on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, below, and then back above. Overall flows added to consolidation at the beginning of the week. Got some of the back and then ended up with a loss of $198. First pound US dollar, we have a price target of 0.91824 to the downside. Price action below the dragon, above the dragon, back into the dragon. Overall gains, however, after the initial consolidation were amazing, with a profit of $9,245. New Zealand Canadian dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, then above the dragon. Price action on the tactical picture translated to a loss of $228 with all the consolidation throughout the week. New Zealand Swiss franc, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, in the dragon, then above. Overall consolidation in the tactical picture led to a loss of $1,626. New Zealand Japanese yen, we have a price target to the downside at 71.638. On the operational picture, price action below the dragon, shot above the dragon. Overall consolidation led to a loss of $325. New Zealand US dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, in the dragon, pretty much. A lot of consolidation led to a loss of $287. US Canadian dollar, we have a price target of 1.59831 to the upside on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, went below and then back above. Overall consolidation though, with a loss of $2,173. US Swiss franc, we have a price target of 1.04489 upside. Price action above the dragon, translated to an overall profit on the tactical picture of $524. US Japanese yen, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon throughout. Overall profit on the tactical picture, nice flows to the upside with a profit of $4,454. Looking at the overall markets, we're looking at bonds. We have a new price target of 72 on the bonds to the downside, so it looks like some more price action to the downside. Overall dollar, we have a price target of 116.633 to the upside. Looks like the dollar is strengthening globally. Gold, we have a price target of $1,150 an ounce to the downside. What was interesting was the fact with that big rally, gold was continuing to go down, kind of solidifying that stagflation is here. No price target on the Russell. Price target for the S&P 500 is 1,838 to the downside. So we have major price action calculation to the downside for S&P 500. Same goes for NASDAQ. We have a price target of 3,181 to the downside. Right now it's at 10,000. That's a 60% drop. Significant loss here if this goes down to that actual target. For the Dow, we have a price target of 15,400 to the downside. That's half. That's a 50% drop. Incredible potential to the downside, so be careful in equity markets. Looking at oil, we have a price target to the upside based on Saudi and OPEC's cut in production to 105.62 per barrel. If it gets back over 100 again, this economy is going to have some major problems. Overall markets globally, except for China, was to the upside, with still a downward price target there. But as all the other markets were going down around the world, China was going up. Bitcoin, we have a price target of 1466. So more price action to the downside for our digital currency market. Well, folks, that's all I have for the FOREX Week in Review. We're currently conducting a FOREX Bootcamp and a FOREX Intermediate course. If you're interested, click on the links below. And we also do a FOREX Operations course where we automate our trades through Python and PineScript. If you're interested in becoming a member, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.